Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Got stopped out 10:02. I was in this trade for 20 minutes. Let's recap. It's very volatile today. So I went all the way down here to retest this low. Actually, I made a mistake because I don't know what happened, but this was the trade. There was something, This was the trade on this wedge flag here because it thought reject form on this pattern here. For some reason I thought this bar is too big. I don't know why, because my stop was the way down here. So bam, missed the opportunity, whatever now. And then triple bottom here, and that's the reason I went bullish here. The target was here and the stop was down here. Probably is gonna be just enough to stop me out and go to the target. That's what happens, but it is what it is. The mistake I made, it was not to take the first trade, but the second trade is still a valuable entry because it's the pattern. So that's the trade for today. I took the trade because it met my criteria, managed risk correctly, and exit where my pattern said to exit. The market didn't follow through, and I accept that without fighting it. Today it wasn't about being right, it was about being consistent. I'll review this later and show up tomorrow with the same rules. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.